Uh, so quick explanation how the code works now. First of all, you just need to open this notebook, which is called Welcome UI. UI stands for User Interface. Uh, First of all, it will run this function, the first one. This function is in the file named coordinates file generator, which is on the Google Drive folder. This just, in a few words, it just find all the coordinates of all the cities contained on the CSV file, and then it will run this, which is on the main functions file, which are the all the functions that concern to the TSP. So quick run, have to wait. The first question is your first time running the TSP? Tarana, tarana. Just have to enter Y for yes and N for no. If you put yes in here and enter, it will generate a database with which will have all the coordinates of the cities contained on the CSV file. I don't know if I've been clear, but yeah, it just search for all the coordinates for printing it in the map. So right now I already have all the coordinates. I will show. If you put yes, this file it will be updated. Here are all the coordinates of the cities that I have on the CSV file, which right now for default is this one that is already on the Google Drive folder. It doesn't load fast. This one, right? Uh, okay then. So right now I already have. So no, enter. So now the inputs. The first question is, do you want to retrieve data from a file? That means if you want to retrieve the data from the CSV file, which is the Excel file, or if you want to do on the random mode, which you put the number of nodes and then the code put all the weights on the graph. So right now we could use the random mode. So no, N, enter. Do you want to use predefined inputs? I already put some predefined inputs just to be faster. So you could put Y for the predefined inputs. So it will give all the results. Then this is the last part. This is the extra functionalities that I implement today. So here, for example, I put yes. Then this is the three options. Oh, I think I don't have to explain these options, but here you could put 1, 2, or 3, whatever you want. So right now I want to put 1. So after how many cities the X city will be reached. So here I can select uh, one of our best tours, which is the best cost tour and the best time tour. So right now I will select the first one, but you could select the second one. So right now we have 25 nodes because it begins on 0, finishes on 24. So I could select 24 for example. So after 13 cities, the city 24 will be reached. You could verify here that the 24 is here, right? Yeah. So these are the 13 cities that you will go through before reaching the 24. This is a like infinity loop. If you want to do another thing, you could put Y to yes, And again, this menu will display. Let's put it again. Why? So I could put try the same one, but with the best time tour. Right now we put another node city, and that's the result. It's the same for all these three. You could try the different options, and when you want to finish, you could put N to finish the program, and bye bye. That's it. If you want to run it with the data contained on the file, you have to put this question on Y instead of N. And if you want, you could do some manual inputs like I will do right now. So I will run it again. I already have the locations on my database. Right now I want to retrieve, no, yeah, no, I don't want to retrieve the data from that. And here's the difference. I don't put some predefined inputs. So right now enter the amount of desired cities. This is the amount of nodes. So I want, yeah, enter the minimum distance between cities. This is the minimum weight that any edge could assume. So more than 0, 1. And the maximum distance, which is the maximum weight, it could be 5,000. The first city to be random. If you put yes, of course the first city it would be random. If you put no, like in my case, you have to put which one it will be the first city. So we could put something like this one. You have to wait, and this is the results. Of course we have the amount of nodes we put, and the first city is the 19. In this case you could put some extra functionalities. Right now I won't put it, so no. And it's the same thing if you want to retrieve data from the Excel, like this one. And if you want to not use the predefined inputs, you have to put this. You have to put here the name of the file. The ours is this one. Yep. Sorry, this video is being long. This is the file, and this is the name of the PDF file in which the map will be printed. Like this, I have this, the name of this PDF file. So I could put something like tour file minimum value of latitude. I remember it's something like for us. This we have to we have to search if we have different cities on our Excel file. We have to find the latitude and longitude of that cities. This is the same. If we want the first city on random, we click yes. And if we already have the coordinates in the database, we already have it in here. So we put yes, and that's it. That's going to work. These are our best tours, and we could use the extra functionalities here too, but right now I won't do it. You could try it, and I think that's it. This is the final map, and this is the one that should be, no, that must be on the PDF file that now it calls tour final. Oh, tours final. Yep, that's the same file, the same map. Yep, that's it. And that's it, how it works. Sorry, this video is not short, and I don't know if I'm clear enough. I don't know if my English is very clear, but you could ask me on WhatsApp.